Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to see how we can do proper visualization of our data in R, by reordering the factors in our data. In this example, you can see that the months in the first chart, on the left, are in wrong order, and do not make any sense. The chart on the right-hand side, has been fixed, and shows the proper order of the months. We will be using these packages. If you haven't got these packages, then you would need to install them first. We are using RStudio in this example. Click on Install, provide the name of your package, and then click Install. Let's create a data frame called df, with some random data. Now, let's create a GGPLOT line chart, to represent the data along with months on the x-axis. Can you see the problem in the chart? The months are not in correct order, and the chart does not make sense, without proper order of the months in the year. Let's check our data frame first. Everything looks good. We can see that the months are properly listed starting from January, February and finishing at December. So, why is our chart not able to display the same order of months as it appears in our data? Let's do further investigation of our data. Let us first check the class of our data column called month. It appears to be a character. Convert this into a factor, and now, print this data. Aha! Here is the culprit. The data appears to be in correct order as January, February, March, and so on. But, the level of the values seem to be in wrong order. If you look carefully, the levels are in an alphabetical order. So the first month is April, the second month is August, and so on. GGPLOT seems to be using the levels of the data column instead of the order shown in the data frame when we printed it. So, all we have to do is to re-level our factor levels to the way which we want in our chart. First, we created a vector called level, and gave the values so that the levels are in the order which we want. Then, using the factor re-level command in the forcats packages, we leveled the factor of the month column to the way we want. Now, we can add the ggplot command which we used earlier to create our line chart. This time, the chart which was showing the wrong order of the months, is now replaced by the chart which has the proper order of the months which we wanted to see. In fact, you can use the same technique anywhere in ggplot charting and control the order of the bars or the points in your chart. I hope you found this information useful and practical. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like this video. See you in our next video.